Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market. Oh my god, guys. So Rovio, the gaming company that makes the Angry Birds franchise for mobile games or also Netflix series, etc., surges today 35%, my friend. 35%. €2.03. So of course it's a micro cap stock, it's a small stock, it's a very volatile stock if you look at the overall chart. But my friends, hey, I talked about the stock already. Look at this. So 2 weeks ago I talked about the stock. Unfortunately, video only got 40 views, but I was just buying a little bit more in Rovio. And now, of course, my friends, I'm disappointed that I didn't just buy or put all my money in Rovio. No, of course not. So always buy small parts of companies, not all eggs in one basket, as they say. Diversify, that's very important. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a YouTuber, a retail investor, and this is for information and especially entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. Don't buy anything you see in this video, and also don't buy Rovio, because obviously you don't understand the business model, do you? Just kidding, guys. So yeah, you shouldn't insult your viewers. I think that's not good. All right, let's continue. Okay, guys, so look at this huge green candle. I mean, this is simply crazy. So check out my other video, of course, about my analysis of the Rovio stock, so I go a little bit more into detail. So in this video, I want to talk actually about the news. So what's going on? What is going on? So guys, okay, then let's click on the news. Here we go. Reuters: Rovio confirms receipt of non-binding, especially here it's non-binding, indicative, so everything really vague, but the stock goes 35%, proposal from Playtika. So we're also going to check out who is Playtika. So Rovio Entertainment Corporation confirms the receipt of a non-binding indicative proposal from Playtika Holding Corporation. It's non-binding indicative proposal to acquire all issued and outstanding shares of Rovio at the proposed price of €9.05 per share, premium of approximately 60% to closing price of Rovio share on Nasdaq Helsinki yesterday. So at this time, Rovio is not engaged in any negotiations with Playtika. I mean, yeah, that's it. So no negotiations at the moment. Board of Rovio is evaluating indicative proposal and will determine whether and how to proceed with it. Yeah, that's the story, guys. But the stock goes up like crazy. So when I saw this morning, I thought like, okay, better than expected numbers, or what is the reason? No, this is all part of the big shopping spree that some companies have now. So maybe again some more information for Rovio Entertainment, so I'm free to give it to you. So we have a market cap of 638 million, a PE ratio of 20 now, so we went up obviously 35%. I think in Google Finance is already included. 533 employees, and they mostly make those Angry Bird games, Angry Bird franchise. So they're from Finland and they have been created in 2003, and I think everyone knows Angry Bird. So everyone knows Angry Bird. So, and here we have a little bit more information here. So Playtika Holding Corporation Thursday sweetened its offer for Finnish game maker Rovio, best known for its Angry Bird franchise, to 683 million euros. So as a consolidation in the industry gathers pace. So offer values each share of Rovio at 9.5, about 60% higher than the company's closing price. So it is also roughly 40 million euros above a previously undisclosed offer that the Israeli Playtika made in November. So it's not the first time. So Espoo Finland-based Rovio declined to comment. So very important. Its shares ended 2.5% lower yesterday. So this was yesterday. Rovio has had a tumultuous ride since going public in September 2017 at the price of $11.50, and the company's growth still remain overly dependent on the Angry Birds franchise, despite efforts to diversify with acquisitions such as Turkish Ruby Games in 2021. The game maker is also caught in a broader the slowdown, especially in the mobile market after 2 years of pandemic-driven boom. Global mobile game revenues fell more than 6% to 92.2 billion in 2022. So 6% mobile game revenues are down. I don't think 6% is that much. So I don't think this actually has such a big impact. So I mean, this is still crazily high. I mean, look at this, guys. Now, according blah 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 estimates Newzoo. So the new offer, latest signs, etc. Guys, this is crazy. I mean, yeah, the offer, that would be a pretty nice premium, Let's look at the chart. So we could go even to 9 to the all-time high in May 2022. So could be even at this high. I mean, that's sweet. That's indeed sweet, guys. So I'm definitely, I have to admit, I'm definitely looking forward to this. Yeah, I thought like this game has actually a positive revenue, operating expenses. Also, we are growing a bit, but revenue positive, net profit margin a bit down, and then we have cash flow, also cash flow positive. Yeah, I like it. Net change in cash, but it's positive. So, but down of course from last year, also being affected by this. So here, that's Playtika. So here we see a little bit the company directly. So they make mostly like casino mobile games, something like this. So yeah, well. So they want to have another mobile gaming company, so they want to become a bigger mobile gaming company. So, I mean, this makes sense. So also this stock you can buy. Oh my God, look at this chart. What's going on there? So that's, is it at the Nasdaq? At the Nasdaq, it's an Israeli stock. So also today, Playtika Holding Corporation up 7.17%. So it seems that investors also are happy about the news for Playtika. But I have to say also incredible up, my God, up like almost 30% also since the beginning of the year. And if you look on the overall max chart, yeah, it's a very bad looking chart. So let's see at the numbers, what's going on here. But here you see revenue growing over time since 2017, and net income also actually growing with regard to 2020, and yeah, also even with regard to 2019, the net income was growing. So I see this is actually also a very interesting company, which has also a nice growth. The market cap is 3.6 billion, so it's a little bit bigger. PE ratio 14.43. So multiple of 14.43. That's not too high actually for a growth gaming company. But if you look at the chart, my friends, so 66% down since they went IPO. So this means everyone investing on the way down here obviously is in the minus. And this might also not get better so quickly. But long-term investments sometimes need this. But yeah. No financial advice, guys. So I'm not invested in Playtika. I'm invested in Rovio. So I haven't really analyzed Playtika yet. And I'm also not such a big fan of those casino gaming stocks, something like this. I'm not so big fan of this. I think the problem with stocks like this is the regulation. So I don't really want to invest in a company that's affected massively by regulation. All right, my friends, I would say that's it. So keep in mind this incredible chart. So let's see what's going on with Rovio. I didn't sell. I kept my Rovio stocks. And I guess then I'm hoping for a good arbitrage if this is working out. If not, I'm still staying with Rovio. So, but I mean, it's an interesting company. There's chances they're growing, but also of course chances they go again back to like €3. Everything is possible, but I like to invest a little bit money, not too much, in also so more high growth stocks and more risky stocks. All right, thank you very much for watching, and check out my other videos. Bye bye.